In this video, we are going to see how we can remove any collaborators from Google Forms. So if you have recently added a collaborator and now you want to remove it, here's how you can easily do it. First of all, just open up that specific Google form where you have added the collaborator, and then on the top right hand corner you can see this person icon with a share button. Click on that, and once you open that up, you will see the collaborator added right here. All you have to do is just click on this drop down and click on remove the excess and save it. After that, you click on it once again and make sure that this person with the people with excess is completely removed from this section. But make sure that if you have transferred the ownership and now he is the owner, you won't be able to remove the excess of that person. Rather, he can remove you from the excess of the Google form. So make sure you're the owner and you haven't transferred any ownership yet. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.